Hey teacher, does this look familiar? Tons of open tabs, a messy desktop, and no idea where that lesson link went? Yeah, same. That's why I built TeacherFlows, a super simple Chrome extension made just for teachers like us. You can create folders by week, subject, or however you plan. So let's say I'm prepping week 1 English. I just name the folder and I'm good to go. Now I can save these lesson tabs into the folder. No more re-googling or losing links. Here's where you'll find everything you've saved, ready to open one by one whenever you need it. When I save a lesson tab, I can also add a little note, like use Thursday with Group B, so I don't forget what I had in mind. And if I want, I can even assign it to a specific day. That way, when Thursday rolls around, I just open my week 1 English folder and everything I need is right there, ready to go. Now let's see that in action. Want to see your week at a glance? Just open the calendar view. Everything's laid out by day, ready to go. Saved a tab in the wrong folder? No worries, just drag and drop it where it belongs. It's perfect for quick fixes or when plans change, like shifting a lesson to another day or period. Simple, flexible, and totally stress-free. And when I'm ready to use everything I've saved, I just hit Open All Tabs, and boom, there they all are, my resources open in one go. No clicking around, no digging through folders, no fuss, just everything I need, ready when I am. TeacherFlows is 100% free, takes seconds to install, and honestly, it saves me hours every week. Give it a go and bring a little calm back to your teaching flow. You might wonder how you ever worked without it.